Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is just all about maintenance. Okay, so right now I'm going to um, wax. So I'm going for my waxing right now and I'm almost there. And after this I'll be going to the salon to make my hair. Actually guys, what I'm just going to do is comb rolling my hair because I have a lot of wig, even the ones I've not worn, so I'm just going to contour my hair and then my pedicure, manicure, my lashes and all that good stuff, okay, to maintain this beauty. Alright guys, so I'm getting out now from the car and I will see you guys later. I will see you guys inside, okay? So do subscribe, like, share this video, enjoy this maintenance vlog guys. So it's waxing time. As you guys can see, I'm already here getting ready to get waxed. It's the pain for me, Omo. It's going to be painful and I know that. It's not a ritual for me, okay? Maintenance routine. I think I have to like generate a name for you guys. Should it be Hey Lovelies? Hey Sweet? I beg. Hey guys, so I just finished from the salon. I told you guys I'll be like making cornrows because I have a lot of wig I've not even worn like that. So I just have to like wear my wigs. Maybe when I'm tired, I will braid. Okay. So this is the look. This is my cornrow. I did not do a small cornrow this time around. I had to go for the medium size because these days I don't know, I'm always busy, honestly, except during the weekend because that's when I have time to vlog. I vlog during the weekend, but during the week work days, no way. So yeah, so I'm done with my hair, my cornrow and my lashes. I don't know if you guys can see my lashes. Yeah, I didn't even know that salon they have someone that does lashes and all that. So I found that today and I was like, why not? I didn't really feel it anyway, but at least you can see. And these lashes I bought it myself, oh guys. I got the lashes myself. I got it at Eberino supermarket because you can't even tell. These lashes look so real, like you can't tell. So I just gave it to the guy. I just like gave it to them to like fix, you know. So yeah. Funny thing is I even had to come back home to pick these lashes when I found out that they do lash there. So yeah, and he did it very well, guys, and I really love it. Okay, yeah. So guys, I'll be going for my nails. I'll be going for my pedicure and manicure, and just like fix my nails, polish my toes. That's what I'll be doing. Yeah, hitting the road again. Today is Saturday, so I'm on my way there now. I just have to like dress up and yeah, I'll be on my way. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, bye guys. See who is hungry. I'm so hungry. I have to order this food now. I could not wait anymore. So I got jollof rice. Yeah. And it's cold. Huh? It's very cold. I will just microwave this right now. Okay. Bye. See you guys later.
Baby, take my hand, I want you to be